Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So today we'll discuss about IIT Kanpur. So the programs which we'll be discussing about today are the normal programs, like we'll discuss about M.Tech and MS. I have uploaded a few previous videos about MS by research program from IIT Guwahati and all those things. So people might be knowing, who are following, they might be knowing about MS. So what it doesn't seem that these programs are new, but what is the catch here? What is so unique about it? Like this program, the IIT Kanpur is taking admission in January 2020, which is a second semester. So most of the people, they might not be knowing that there are programs at IIT Kanpur and other IITs also. I'll let you know in the upcoming times for of such programs. Like there are really very interesting things about these institutes. So people might not be knowing that IIT Kanpur will take they take admission for M.Tech in second semester also. So what is the advantage of this? The advantage of this is that if your gate score was not so good and you couldn't do it, you couldn't got it through uh, in the first semester when most of the admissions happen in June and July. So this is your chance here. Most of the people might not be knowing, many of the people might not be knowing about this admission process. So here you will face less competition and you can get it through. It's your chance, it's a good chance. So what we'll be discussing today about is M.Tech. For now, they are giving M.Tech admission in material science and mechanical engineering, that too in a particular branch of mechanical engineering, manufacturing science, and MS in aerospace engineering, civil engineering, a particular branch of it. STR is for structural engineering, computer science, and electrical engineering. Remember, like admission for MS are they are conducted every semester, just like PhD. We'll talk about PhD also. So PhD and MS, they are research based programs, so the admissions can be done in both the semesters because the courses do not have much weightage here, and there is no prerequisite for that. Like first you have to do this course and then you have to that course which is dependent on it. So the admissions in PhD and MS can be taken in both the semesters. The same reason why they are taking admission in material science and mechanical here in M.Tech is, we all know that M.Tech is a uh, coursework plus research. uh, so like why they are taking in material science and manufacturing is, the reason behind is that in subjects like manufacturing science, like the subjects, the modules what they'll be teaching you are not interdependent. Like for example, in thermal sciences, you first need to, the guys from mechanical will relate to it, you first need to study the basics of thermodynamics, then only you can go for the advancement subjects of it, advanced subjects of it, like uh, RAC, refrigeration, and IC engines. But in manufacturing, the modules are like casting. So casting is, and maybe you have machine operations, and then you have metal formation. So all the modules, all the subjects are interdependent. Like casting has nothing to do with machine operation, so they're taking admission over here. So we'll discuss about it. Let's just discuss in detail. So here is the eligibility for this. So for M.Tech, material science and mechanical, you need to have a 4-year degree, either in engineering or science, but the degree has to be 4 years, or a master degree in science with a CPI not below the specified minimum. So specified minimum for IIT Kanpur is 5.5. So you need to have that much of GPA, and then you need to have uh, like a valid gate score. If you want to get rid of gate score, you need to be graduated from an IIT with 6.5 minimum CPI, and overall 6.5 minimum CPI, and 8 in the last 2 years of your BSc or BTech degree. So if you have that, you are graduated from IIT and you meet the CPI criteria, you won't be needing a gate score for admission. Otherwise you always need a gate score. So there is a catch over here, why they say that master's degree in science can also apply. So like master we'll discuss in detail, but for now master's degree in some in science in some specifications like physics or chemistry, they can go in material sciences related. So there's a catch here. MSy research the eligibility for aerospace and sustainable energy, you again need bachelor degree in engineering or science, 4-year degree, or a master degree in science with not below the specified minimum. Specified minimum for IIT Kanpur is 5.5. Okay, we discuss this again. Again, the master's degree is like there are some degrees like chemistry or physics, they can go into sustainable energy program. So it's for that. For electrical and mechanical engineering, there they say like bachelor in engineering science, 4-year degree. So this science is not BSc, this is basically BS, which uh, like previously IISc Bangalore and Institute of Sciences was the institute which was giving BS degrees in 4 years. Now some of IITs also have started it, so they are talking about that degree, not the BSc of 3 years. It's a BS. Then for computer science, this program is 3 years. That program was 2 years MS Research. This program MSy Research is 3 years. It's in computer science and photonics. Photonics. So they are saying here that applicants with BSc 3 year are equivalent with a minimum of 7.5 may also be considered. So like uh, B.Tech and all those will be considered. B.Tech and BS 4 years will be considered. In addition to that, in these programs, BSc people who have BSc of 3 years, but may also be considered, but they have to have a minimum CPI of 7.5 or 75%. In addition to that, you always need a gate score. For, as for MS, as for M.Tech, but for MS, because it's a research degree, so you can have your CSIR score. The people who don't know about it, we'll discuss later. This is Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. They uh, like conduct a nationwide test which is called NET, National Eligibility Test. So you may have this JRF, NET. And again, if you want to get rid out of these competitive scores, you need to be graduated from an IIT and have minimum of 6.5 overall and 8 in the last 2 years. So here you will be getting financial assistance from the institute. So it's for M.Tech and MS, it's 12,400 for your 8 hours of per week. You'll be assisting your teachers 8 hours per week, and the institute will give you will provide you 12,400 per month in return. Let's just discuss uh, eligibility in detail. So yeah, this is for aerospace engineering. We are in aerospace department. So they say candidates BS 4 years and MSc degrees. So they have not specified here which MSc degrees, but you need to have a gate score. You can apply. Then next we'll go to the civil engineering. Just a minute. Chemistry, and then there is civil engineering. So we'll see what they require for MS degree, what are M.Tech program, and then MS research. MS by research, same as M.Tech program. So we can see here we are interested in structural engineering, because for this semester the admission is only in structural. So you need to have a degree in civil. Some candidates bachelor degree in architecture, building construction, and allied subjects may also be considered. Then you need to have a gate score. Then you need to, if you need to get rid of 8 score, that 8 CPI and 6 point CPI remains same. AMI candidates will not be eligible. We'll discuss what it is in detail in another video. Let's just go for the other program. After civil we have electrical in here, computer science. Yeah, we have computer science also. So computer science MS, where is that? Just a minute, just a second. MSy research type 1 program. So you need to have B.Tech, BE or BS 4 years in computer science or IT. See, I told you master degrees was also there, so you may have MCA or you may have MSc in computer sciences. There are some universities which provide MSc in computer sciences. Then you need to have six, like minimum of 6 or 60% with a valid GATE score. B.Tech, BS, and BE 4 years in any discipline. If you are not your graduation is not related to computer, then you need to have 7.5 or 75% in and a gate score in CS. Okay, so that is eligibility for that. Let's just discuss what is the eligibility for electrical. Just a second. Here we go. Electrical engineering. Here we go. So for MS, like they have not, I think they have not specified the eligibility here in this brochure, so it remains as we discussed in the advertisement, right? So next is mechanical and material science. Yeah, here it is. So PG admissions. Just a minute, we'll discuss about M.Tech, right? So in here the PhD program materials may they are doing PhD, M.Tech, not the PhD. So yeah, so here is the eligibility. uh, like you need to have uh, B.Tech in metallurgical or material engineering, material science, metallurgical, materials engineering and material science, uh, ceramic engineering, chemical engineering, mechanical engineering or other engineering discipline must have 60% or 6 out of 10 B.Tech and with a gate qualified. Okay, for MSc, here you can see I have already told you physics and chemistry. They have life sciences, material sciences. There are some universities will give you MSc in material sciences, nanotechnology, nanoscience, and appropriate area at BSc level. So for that you need 6 or 60% each in BSc and MSc and your gate, or you can have a CSIR NAT here if you did your MSc. Okay, just for the mechanical, the last one, let's just discuss it. Mechanical. Okay, so see, who is eligible for it. We are discussing manufacturing science because for this semester the admission is only for manufacturing science. So either you need to have a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering, or the guys from aerospace, chemical, metallurgy, material science, production and manufacturing, they can try for M.Tech in manufacturing. And obviously you need to have a gate score. So that's all about the eligibility. Here is the portal for that. If you wanna apply, here is the portal for online application. For Indian students, the admission application forms is only online. Like you cannot submit a offline application for now. And the last date for admission is 5th of November midnight. So like I'm really very sorry, this channel is just starting, so I'm finding content. So like I know it's quite late, but it's a kind of information which you can use, people can use for the next semesters also, because the main motto of this video is that to make you aware that IITs they do conduct admission in between also, like in the second semester also. So there is H for that. If you couldn't do it in your first semester, you have got a H here, you will be facing less competition. And last but not the least, fee structure. So for 2021 batch, M.Tech, MDes or MS, for hostlers, hall residents, hostlers, the fee is regular. For regular, the fee is 29,750 for the first semester, which most of the students will be interested in. And for upcoming semesters, it will be a few low all because there are some one-time charges in this fee. So let's say it will be somewhere around 20 to 25,000 consecutive semesters, so fee is not that much. It's around a lakh and 15,000 for the entire course, and you'll be getting 12,400 from the institute per month. So it's almost like uh, you'll be earning, like you'll be positive, like 12,400 per month is somewhere around 74,000, and 74 and into 2 is 1,50,000. You'll be paying 1,000, so you have 40,000 with you plus. So it's a good opportunity for the people who want to face less competition this semester, and they want to do good with their life. They want to take M.Tech in mechanical and materials or MS in other fields. They may come up with MS in more branches next semester, because MS is a research based course. So each department has a quota of research students. So there might not be a vacancy in other departments for now, so they are conducting only those departments. But have a look, keep your eyes on the site, and you'll be getting it. You can like take admissions here. So that's all for this video. And as I always say, I'm not representing the institute. What I'm doing is to pass on information to the people. Yeah, and so all the rights remains with the institute, IIT Kanpur. And if you like what I'm doing and how I'm doing, if you like my content, please like my channel, subscribe it, and comment on videos. Yeah, this is all for it. Thank you very much.